At Cypris, we are reinventing humans' relationship with traditional paints and colorants by bringing to market the first truly paintable structural color technology. Our vision is to bring structural color to the market as a sustainable solution to global energy inefficiencies and alternative to toxic pigments and dyes. We are solving these challenges through the production of paintable nanostructure coatings from synthetic polymers, called brush block copolymers. These materials are capable of rapid self-assembly and can achieve highly reflective structures in minutes under ambient conditions. The versatility of our coating platform allows our team to tailor structural color solutions to address unique customer needs. The ability to apply our structural color to consumer products such as cosmetics, packaging, and electronics eliminates the need for any pigments or dyes by simultaneously expanding the color palette and color effects. Using the exact same materials, we can tune our structural color to serve as a clear, heat-reflective coating that improves energy efficiency of buildings by way of reducing cooling costs in warm climates.